When assignment selling is done well, the sales process is booming. But is it possible for assignment selling to go wrong?
Oh no, it all went wrong!
Well, just like in all areas of life, it's possible to screw up here in assignment selling too. If you haven't heard of assignment selling, check out the previous video linked here and then come back. But just as a simple reminder, assignment selling is the process of using educational content about your products or services intentionally in the sales process to create a shorter sales cycle. Sounds pretty simple. So how can that go wrong? Well, no matter the size and the makeup of your sales team, assignment selling mistakes are bound to happen, especially as you're first getting started.
It's only my first day.
Here are 4 common problems to avoid when getting started at your organization. First, assigning too much or too little content. Well, if we want them to know about our products, just send them everything we have, right? No, that sounds terrible.
This is the worst.
Put yourself in the prospect's shoes. Imagine you get an email with 15 different links you're supposed to read before your call. Would you do that? Probably not. You want to give each prospect enough information to have a better sales conversation, but you don't need to assign them every piece of content you have. Here's how you can fix this problem. We recommend you send 2 or 3 pieces of content ahead of each call. Any more, and you're testing the limits.
But you're really pushing it now.
Also, make sure to explain what each piece of content is and why it's relevant. They're gonna appreciate that context. Second problem, moving forward if the prospect doesn't complete the assignment. So you're excited, you've tried assignment selling for the first time. You get into the meeting and you ask, hey, did you get a chance to take a look at what I sent you? Unfortunately, you hear that soul-crushing statement. No, I didn't have time to do that, sorry. You're frozen in your tracks. What do you do? Now your instincts will probably tell you to just shrug it off and move on. But I'm here to tell you to stay strong. If you need to reschedule that call, then so be it. If the prospect didn't complete the assignment because they aren't serious, you've saved yourself the time that would have been wasted on an unqualified prospect. If they are serious but just didn't get to it, pushing back the meeting gives them the time they need and also reinforces the importance of the materials you sent. Third problem, using only text-based content. Now here at Impact, we do love articles, but it is important to remember that different prospects like to consume information in different ways. That could mean podcasts, infographics, video, or even interactive tools. In fact, 73% of buyers said that they prefer to watch a short video rather than consuming something text-based. So that's a simple fix. Create more video and other visual mediums. No, this doesn't have to be anything fancy. You can use your smartphone or a laptop camera to record a video sharing some insights that come from an article. Or you could use a free tool like Canva just to create an infographic in just a few minutes.
Problem solved.
Fourth problem, not selecting the right content for each buyer's stage. Prospects come in all shapes and sizes, which means they don't all need the same thing. If you as a salesperson just blast out the same content email to every single prospect, that's just gonna come off as generic and insincere. But how are they gonna know it's the same when I send everyone, you ask? Because they're not idiots. That's how. Here's how to fix this problem. Build up a library of sales enablement content that answers as many buyer questions as possible. Then keep those organized by things like the pain point or even stage of a buyer's journey. You can use that to tailor the content to actually fit their needs and build trust with them before your meeting. Avoiding these common mistakes will help you use this process in the most effective way possible. And as it goes with any skill, it might take some time to master, but starting this process will give you so many benefits for shortening your sales cycle, improving your close rates, and more. The only way to get better is to start doing it today.